Welcome to the live session. Another trading day. Hello everyone. So looking at the Forex factory in the beginning of the session. So you can see that here is today we have seen NZD news has been published, and tomorrow coming up AUD, NZD, and also the dollar. So thank you for joining the live session, traders. I hope that you guys are ready for another big day. I'm expecting pretty massive day like we did in the past. Almaruf, welcome. Thank you for joining the live session. So let's begin today's analysis. I'm waiting everyone to show up. So guys and girls, when you are here, give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. And we are starting with today's session. Deepak, welcome. Thank you. Almaruf, good job. Island Cooking, good morning. Bugaska, welcome. Patrika, hello. Kutubuddin, welcome Kutubuddin. Thank you for joining. Almaruf, good evening. My first time here. And voice session, yes. Hi boss, welcome. David, Maddie, good day from London. Dunaya, hello. Thank you for joining the live session. This is our regular live session. So with that on, we have looked at Forex factory calendar, and now we will be looking at also. So we have looked at the timing. So we can look at the calendar. So you can see tomorrow coming up also AUD, and then NZD, and then dollar news. So 3 very important news coming tomorrow, and also on Friday as well on CAD. So tomorrow another important day for AUD, NZD, and dollar, and we will look at now this instrument to see how the price might be doing. I'll be doing a complete multi-time frame analysis, and then also we will be looking at euro dollar, GBPJPY, and other instrument as well. So looking at first of all on gold, starting with the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. So I'll be doing a full multi-time frame analysis, and then also we'll be looking at other time frame as well. So looking at the monthly chart on gold, we can see that there's a monthly bullish candle, and after the monthly bull candle this month, we can see that the market tested the high, created a lower high from this monthly candle, which has a long wick at the bottom, healthy body with a long wick at the bottom, expecting gold to drop down to the monthly support level. So this is the monthly support, and if we look at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly candle so far, and what we can see from the weekly, there is also a wick at the bottom. What I think that gold might try to fill that long wick at the bottom. So from the weekly, we can see the market trend is down. Now dropping down to the daily, where we can see that today there wasn't much volatility, but we can see the market we can see it's now bouncing up for deeper pullback, and I think that we might see, if it started to trend to the upside, which one probability to happen is completely to trend to the upside. The other probability is the market to drop back again to the support level. So looking at the 1 hour, dropping down to very lower time frame, such as the 15-minute chart here, and in this lower time frame, looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see that there is a, if you look at here, what you can see, this is a resistance line on gold, and probably you guys have seen the previous analysis here. I think that gold might, this is the resistance, and with this resistance, this is the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and with this resistance on gold, if we see that the market has, for me to consider any kind of long opportunity, I would first to see that the market has tested the daily support, otherwise, completely broken below, depending on where the price is heading. So far we can see that lower time frame price action. If we look at the 15 minutes here, this is a move pullback, expecting it to bounce again, how the price might be doing. And if you look at the 5 minutes, you can see there is a drop and then again another bounce. So a big move pullback, expecting it to grab good amount of liquidity and then to drop down again to the support level. So depending on how the price is hitting, we will be looking for entry opportunity. So you can see this is the lower time frame price action, and with this lower time frame price action, locally we can see gold is moving up to certain level. It might move back to this level here, so I will be waiting for any kind of retest, and then depending on if we see that the market trend is, if we see deeper liquidity gap, in one word, then we'll be looking for a long opportunity. Otherwise, if we see the market grab liquidity from the top, we'll be looking for selling opportunity. Depending on the price action confirmation, we will be looking for trade. So let's see how it is doing. And at the moment, if we look at locally, this is the 5-minute chart. You can see that in this local time frame, it is trending to the upside. Okay, so yeah, we can see the market trend is up at the moment locally. So we will be looking to see how far it is going. I think we might see break up any of this resistance, and then it could try to break below again, because if you look at the daily again, we can see from here there is a bounce, and I don't think that the price will be able to completely bounce without retesting the daily support. Okay, so let's see, and then we will be looking for potential entry. This is on gold. And also we'll be looking at GBPJPY. If you guys are enjoying this live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Okay, so here what you can see in this area, this is a 5-minute chart on gold, and we can see it's a bounce. So let's see now on GBPJPY. You guys let me know if you are here so that I know that which one you are looking at. Hello, thank you very much. Hi there. Wish to everyone great day with full packet with the profit. Thank you. Kaspers, Sayed, hi bro. What will be the TP in gold? We haven't entered yet, so how can we say the TP? We haven't entered any trade on gold yet. Thank you. Please explain the gold in lower time frame. Thank you. Hi, GBPAUD. What is your analysis? Yeah, we will be looking to that as well. Mr. Layson, have a fabulous trading day. Thank you. Today, please. Okay, Sayed. Should we buy gold now? I wouldn't go long yet, because if you look at, you can see it is trying to break to the upside on the lower time frame. But buying at the top also, for me, it's not a good idea, because we need to look at a break of structure, and then we can look for potential entry. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you for joining the live session, guys and girls. Thank you. And also join the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video for more education updated ideas that I'm posting every day. Okay, now after gold is still, we don't see in my strategy, I still don't see any clear position to enter. Let's look at GBPJPY. So looking at okay, so first of all, let's look at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market from the monthly on GBPJPY. And with this monthly price action on GJ, what we can see that this is the monthly price. There is a long bearish engulfer followed by another monthly bearish candle with a healthy body and long wick at the bottom. And so which is basically, you can see it's a pretty strong drop on GJ. It has gone up. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see the price is almost to the weekly level where there is weekly resistance. And this is where the weekly resistance line. There is a pretty massive drop here with a weekly resistance, support turning resistance on the weekly on GJ. And with this weekly, this is the weekly candle that so far we have seen that from this support there is a massive rejection to the upside on GJ. And with this massive rejection, with this long wick doji, I think that GBPJPY may, I don't want to say may. Let's do more detailed analysis. It's always a good idea to look at the detailed picture. Before we go to the detailed picture, guys and girls, make sure you give a thumbs up. Have you liked this stream? If you're enjoying the live stream every day, make sure you give a thumbs up. And also, if you want to enjoy all the content that I'm posting, make sure, guys and girls, also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Now, let's see the daily chart. Okay, so from the daily, this is the daily price action. Daily drop, pullback, another drop, pullback, another drop, pullback, another drop, deeper pullback. So we can see series of lower high formation here. And with this series of lower high formation, okay, this is a very important level of resistance here. At the moment, on the daily, looking at the 4 hour, where long wick candle with a long wick at the bottom, and 15 minutes on GJ, locally we can see bullish. Again, looking at the 4 hour here, we might see now short term upside on GJ. Okay, so we could see, you can see this is a move here on GBPJPY, followed by the pullback, and wanting to see that the market managed to bounce to the liquidity zone. What I think that we might see short-term bounce to the liquidity zone on GBPJPY, and you can see this is a liquidity zone, the liquidity grab. Now, if you are not sure about the liquidity grab, guys and girls, make sure that you stick till the end of this live session. We do discuss about the liquidity, and also my best trading strategies that I trade based on the liquidity. If you want to also there will be a giveaway, like every live session. At the end of the live session, we had a one liquidity candle giveaway. So if you want to be on that, make sure you stick till the end and stay with the competition for winning the liquidity candle. Now at the moment, we can see on GBPJPY, this is very strong liquidity grab here. And with this liquidity grab, okay, so what we can see, this is okay, this is a support, and this is massive drop here. You can see this is a liquidity grab, and the market, you can see, is forming series of higher low, and with this series of higher low, expecting to bounce again to this level, where you can see there is a, if you look at here, you can see there is a gray area here. It's not that gray area, it's the gray area that we have drawn. So we can see there is a zone that is a very important level. So if we see the market bounce back to that level, yeah, we might see, because you see quite a few dojis here. This zone is an important liquidity zone. We'll see that. And in the meantime, I strongly believe that, guys and girls, you're enjoying this live session. If you're enjoying, make sure you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet, join the free Telegram channel for more trade ideas as well as content that I'm posting. Also, I do share some of my trade ideas in the free Telegram channel, so you can get access to that as well. Okay, GBPJPY, we might see that short-term downside here to this support level. Thank you. And we can see GJ is coming back down and expecting it to drop further downside. We look at the 4-hour here. This is a very narrow range at the moment on GBPJPY. Okay. Let's quickly look at on gold. We can see there is a liquidity grab on gold and has got a rejection with this 5 minutes candle. Let's see from the 1 hour, the market is heading to the upside. See that if we have any opportunity here, we can see there is a head and shoulder formation with this 20 EMA. (15 minutes), there is a back-to-back 2 liquidity candle formation. So you can see some kind of price action which is potentially bullish here with an inverted head and shoulder. Pardon me, it's a regular head and shoulder, and need to see that. So the 15 minutes, okay, so here is what we can see on gold, a bounce on the lower time frame. Which might lead this price to back to 2403. I think we might see even breaking above 2403 or above, and if that's a situation, we can short term, let me see, I'm still not going, just checking everything, the risk reward and all of them. So okay, I will be opening long on gold by market because it's a short-term trade. So there will be around 24 to 25 pip stop loss with 2 to 1 reward to risk. We had early today one trade, and on gold also we secured that. Okay. Come on. Before I trigger the button, it's just trying to bounce. Okay, so if it is a fake out, then we might be on a buy trade. So okay, so here is I might re-enter again 2 positions. Okay, so here is if you look at the 5 minutes, TP 403.08. So yeah, 2 positions. I entered another one with a bit of lower price. So now the way I expected to be a little bit strongly bullish. Let's see after this candle close how the market is doing. Long on gold. I'm long on gold and expecting it to bounce, but expected a bit stronger bullish candle, which if not, then we might see. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart. Is the trend is exhausted. This is the 1 minute chart. $15 minutes. This is pretty okay. Here is long week candle. Okay, so pretty unexpectedly dropped back. So you got out on the trade, it unexpectedly dropped. You got 22 pip minus, I'm stopped out. So it unexpectedly dropped. We'll wait for further entry. Let's see. I think we might see initial rejection here. We might see now again retest of this 4-hour support. Okay, we'll be re-entering again once we will find further entry. What's happening with the GJ? We saw the rejection on GBPJPY as well from the resistance. Yeah, so we can see on the lower time frame, if we look at the 1 hour after break of this high, it's trying to break below, we can see that there is a break of structure. We'll be waiting for that to rearrange the price, and then if we need to re-enter to any of this, we will be looking at that. Let's look at what's happening with the GBPJPY. And GBPJPY, we can see that there is a red move here, and this is a local from the 1 hour local bullish market. Okay, so here if we see the market grab the good amount of liquidity here on GJ, we can look for potential entry here. Let's see where it is heading. Locally, we can see a bearish market structure. So this is an important level of support on GBPJPY. And if the market managed to break below, we may see on GJ for further downside. We'll see what happened. Guys and girls, make sure that you remain patient here. It's very important that patience is key in trading. GBP, yeah, we'll be looking at that. What's your opinion about NZD/USD? NZD/USD you haven't looked at yet. Gold. Good evening. Thank you. Yeah, didn't work out. Good day. Welcome. Okay, so keeping eye on both on gold and you can see gold after it was just a pure liquidity grab. I have a very tight stop loss normally, always, because that's how, if you have a tight stop loss, it's always a good idea. I can keep a bigger stop loss that will reduce the probability of stop loss hit, but it's always a good idea to remain, always fully risk managed with a tighter stop loss is always a good idea. So here what we can see from this level, there is a bounce at the moment again. Now, so it was basically complete drop and again bounce. Let's see how this long wick candle on gold is being formed. Okay, and so here is the long wick candle. With the 30 minutes. We can see from this support, expecting it to bounce again. So basically it just triggered that liquidity and then trying to move back to the upside. And we'll see where the next if the market bouncing from here, then you can see that it's a very strong bounce. And if you guys look at it, you can see this is a pure liquidity grab in that area. And with this liquidity grab, support here, series of higher low formation. So if the market grabbing good amount of liquidity, we might see it's bouncing back to the upside. Let's see. If we need to re-enter for another one, we can look for if we see proper price action confirmation. So from the 1 minute, we can see there is a bullish candle here, so liquidity candle potentially, and here is also the bull candle on gold. So if you look at the 30 minutes, forming a liquidity candle on the 30 minutes, still not closed. And let's go to the 1 minute chart. With this liquidity candle formation on the 1 minute, from the 1 hour as well, so we can see candle close coming on the 1 hour on gold, which is basically form a bull candle. To go for a re-entry, like to see first of all the market, you can see it's forming from the 1 minute again another liquidity candle. Okay, it's strongly bullish at the moment. We'll be waiting for confirmation. Let's keep watching for better trading opportunity. And in the meantime, traders, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Press that bell notification. Also, you can join the free Telegram channel for more content, ideas, as well as the education that I'm posting every day. GBPJPY, what's your analysis? Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Please check dollar yen. We'll be looking at that. Okay, gold, Euro USD. Watching from, thank you. So hello, Ghost. Thank you very much for joining the live session. Okay, so okay, here what you can see, a rejection at the moment from the top. This is a 1 minute liquidity candle. We see a strong volatility, increased volatility, which is good for, and ultimately that might give us better opportunity. We see GBPJPY is not much moving. Looking at the 30 minutes time frame on gold, there is a potential liquidity candle, guys. If you are not sure about what is a liquidity candle, you can stay tuned. We'll be discussing more on that. So from 30 minutes, what I see that there's a potential liquidity candle formation. So there is a weakless candle again. Local bullish trend on gold. 30 minutes candle closed with a bullish price action. We can see there is a, so basically this drop that we are stopped out in our previous trade, we are directionally correct in that, but there was a, it was a clear manipulation, and the market bounced. So now at the moment we see that there is a a bullish price action. So this price on gold may now move back. What I think that we might see finally a retest of this resistance. Therefore, we need to look for an entry with the deeper pullback. Any break of structure here, after the break of structure, we can look for the pending order to enter. I think gold might short term forming a bullish trend. Okay, here 1 minute chart, expecting it to drop down to this support here. Okay, so this is where there is a liquidity candle formation. You guys enjoying the live session? Let me know if you give a feedback if you are enjoying the live session. And now this is the 1 minute chart. Any break of structure, we will be looking for bullish entry. And in the meantime, traders, if you want to check out the website link below this video in the description, if you want to check out the strategy that I am trading, being part of trading community, you can find link below this video. You have a couple of spots to take on the mentorship program to access all my trading tools, strategies, as well as the VIP group. I would recommend you to join the lifetime access link below this video. If you have any question, you can ask using the live chat. Okay, wanting to see a break of structure here, and then we can look for trend. Hope that you are enjoying the live session, guys and girls. Thank you for joining the live session. Make sure you give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Much appreciated your support to the channel also. So you can see here the market. This is a bullish price action at the moment. We are looking at gold 1 minute chart and wanting to see the market breaking above to create a new higher high. And in the meantime, if you want to start trading with a reliable broker, you can find link below this video. Also, I'm sharing with you the link in the live chat. You can use that link to sign up and then to keep trading. Any question also you can ask, and also you can start with a minimum capital. Okay, so here is 1 minute chart, waiting for the price to retest. Let's look at the 15 minutes, which is closing very soon. This is a weakless candle here, which is basically a gap opening. Okay, here 1 minute chart, expecting it to break below from the structure. Okay, so here 1 minute chart, 20 pip. Okay, and now I will be placing buy stop after break of this structure. We'll be placing the buy stop here, and stop loss will be below this low. So buy stop with 25 pips stop loss, 2 to 1 target. We might be able to increase so that we can cover the previous trade as well. So there will be 24 pip stop loss, buy stop at 2404.08. Expecting it to bounce and then to trigger. So I'll be placing the buy stop at 2404.08. If it bounce, we'll be entering the trade. So 24 pips stop loss. Again, same stop loss. So if the market managed to bounce here from the 1 minute, expecting it to move back to the upside, second trade on gold, and if the market trend is remaining bullish, if you look at the 4-hour, then we could see potentially significant bounce. That's the main expectation here. So we placed a buy stop on gold. And if you guys enjoying, make sure you smash the like button. And to stay connected with for more content ideas as well as the strategies, I would recommend you to join the free Telegram channel. Okay, so we can see candle close in 5 minutes. If it is trending, then we will be only entering, otherwise not be able to enter anything. Wanting to see it's breaking above, then we will be entering into the trade. Okay, we can see bounce. We still not triggered. I got triggered, guys. I got triggered with the trade. So 1 minute chart, we got triggered, but this rejection, this is what I, I did not like, but whatever. Let's see if this rejection is remaining, then we can expect it to trend in that direction. That's not very good. There's a gap down opening, but let's see. Still we can expect it to bounce. Come on. We see that the market almost there. Almost there. So still there. It was a big manipulation. Now let's see with this gap open where it is heading. Okay, we are on it still. I need to find the entry. So there's a gap open, and it's a very tight trade. Let's see where still possibility to bounce. Okay, if it is this is a liquidity grab, we can expect it to bounce back up. Yeah, bouncing, expecting it to bounce in that direction. Let's see. Here is the most important part, is to see that the market trend is maintaining. First we need to see that it's going to the profit. So if this is another liquidity grab, it's not getting enough strength. The bulls. This is another liquidity grab. Still we are on, but let's see what it is trying to do. Okay. There might be weak fill here, and there might be weak fill. Okay. Expecting a bounce. This is a very, sometimes it happens the market just failed to bounce and then started to consolidate in that area, struggling to bounce. And okay, gone. We can see that probably this is, so this is a very unusual liquidity grab that we see, and we have to wait to see what's happening in the market at the moment. Okay. I think it's just we just want to grab more and more liquidity because of the, you see the market couple of days very fundamentally very volatile, and that is basically forming this price action at the moment. From this support okay, it might even can continue to reverse, or okay, it may continue to reverse in that direction. Okay, we can see, as I mentioned, this is a very unpredictable market at the moment. It happens in and in those situation. It's a complete breakdown. Okay, it's a complete breakdown on gold. And the market, the few days very unpredictable is because of the fundamental, as you know, that going around the world. So we need to be patient in that situation. There is only way that we can trade with the patience is to see what's happening later. Now, if we look at GBPJPY, you can see the GBPJPY from the 4-hour and 1 hour. Also, this market is on GJ. After the candle close, we saw a drop here. Early today we had a trade on GJ. I think gold, you can see it failed to bounce, so it might now drop back below. GJ is not moving much. We see less volatility, but gold, we can see that there's a significant volatility on gold. And it is a complete breakdown to that level. So here, okay, so because it started to trend now, it may now drop back to this order block. This is an order block. And as you know, that order block is very important because this is where the smart money buy and sell the market. If you're not sure about the order block, I do have quite a few content that I posted in the past in the channel. You can go back to the channel and watch all of them about order block and smart money trading, where also you can learn how the smart money trade, how the order block has been used. Yeah, some days we have to be more and more patient. Sometimes we have to be a bit of aggressive in trading, but the day we have to be patient is sometime, especially when the market become very unpredictable like today. Okay, so, and that's where comes down to being a very strong trading psychology, which is absolutely important in terms of being successful as a trader. So you can see here is a complete bounce from this level. This drop at the moment, if it is coming down for order block retest or moving in that direction, that we need to look at. see what's happening. Time frame is difference. Advanced one. Thank you very much. Thank you. Could you possibly look at buy limit at 2399? No, because it's still locally trending down. So I would like to wait for a little more time. GBPUSD, yeah, we'll be looking at that. Do you trade on behalf of anybody? No, I don't trade any on behalf of anybody. What's the TP for gold? What's the TP? So yeah, so this one has gone back. Price 2390. No bottom week on 30 minutes candle. Thank you. 2400 might go around. Yeah, this is what we see, that there is a sudden break below, and from that area it's now trying to trend in that direction. See where it is heading. Okay, after break of this, we can see that there is a bounce here, and ultimately we might see gold slowly. This is the 30 minutes liquidity candle. We could take a bigger, wider stop loss. That could give us some advantage for this liquidity candle, but I wanted to stay very tight. Now it just bounced back to the upside again. If you look at the 30 minutes, this liquidity candle, we might see that it's playing out eventually. Okay, here what you can see, the market reach that, as I mentioned, this is a at the moment it's not trending very strongly. We'll wait for the suitable entry as soon as we will find that. In the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session and if you're learning from here, make sure you give a thumbs up and also join the free Telegram channel for more content, trade ideas like this that I'm posting every day. And in addition to that, if you want to join our academy, as well as being part of the VIP group where I'm trading every single day. You can find a link below this video in the description. You can visit the website. You can find link below this video. Also, there is a free A to Z trading course that you can also get access to. So free A to Z trading course that you can get access to. I think it's not there. Let me bring that up. Free trading course. So free A to Z trading course. I've shared with you that free A to Z trading course link. You can go through that. There is a lot to take from that course. If you are either an intermediate trader or a beginner, definitely something that you can look at. Okay, now here we can see gold trying to bounce after liquidity grab. You can see there's one liquidity candle, there's another one. So here 4 hour, if we look at 1 hour bullish, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and then 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is a liquidity candle, I think. Yeah, it's forming a liquidity candle, liquidity grab here. Probably our previous entry was a little bit earlier, which basically now trending in that direction. So if we look at the 5 minutes, pretty strong bullish candle formation. 15 minutes also bull candle. So in both our trade directionally we were correct, but the entry was not in the right time. It happens sometime. Okay, the market trend is up, which is basically it was in both occasion there was a liquidity grab here, took us out of the trade, and this one also did the same thing. And now what we need here is further confirmation on the lower time frame. 15 minutes candle closed with a bullish engulfer. So you can see the market now trend is up. So only way we can look at is and yeah, this is the market is trending very nicely now. Looking at GBPJPY to see what it is heading, and on GJ, lower time frame price action on GBPJPY. Here is long week candle. GBPJPY not in a very nice organized trending structure. If we look at gold, is looking very trendy, but in both occasion timing was not correct, but this is trendy, and I think we might see that continuation. This is the 4-hour candle. You can see after the doji it bounced. I think ultimately we might see that finally it's gonna hit that 2416 level. We might see, not guaranteed, so depending on. And also at the end of the live session there will be a liquidity candle giveaway, and that liquidity candle comes with also lifetime access to the Forex Trading Wizard Academy. One giveaway every day we announce that giveaway, so make sure you stick till the end of the live session. In addition also, if you are curious about to know more about the strategy that we are trading, as well as being part of the community, you can find link below this video. You can visit the website where you can learn and grow as a trader with me. Okay, here is the bounce we can see. And okay, now we can see again, gold. What did, if we look at the 1 hour chart, we can see what happened with the gold. There is an inverted head and shoulder, complete breakout, and every 1 hour candle is a bull candle with a retest of the support. And I think now the way it's heading to, most likely to 416, and you can see it's getting again another rejection. That drop, there's a 1 hour liquidity candle here as well. Pardon me, 1 minute. If the market managed to break any of this important support, we can look for further entry again. So I'll be waiting for drop to that level. In the meantime, TP 2011, said it, euro dollar 30 buy done. Thank you. Revert at our initial entry point. Yeah, this is what it did. It just revert to the initial entry point. Means the chance to enter 2399. Yeah, sometime, I also suggest re-enter 2399. It was my lucky guess, I suppose. This is a part of trading. You'll see this happen every single day. When you feel like that, okay, I also did, it happens to me also. I feel like that, okay, this is where I have to re-enter, and then waiting just to see the market bounce from that level, and then thinking that I could enter from that level. But ultimately it happens all the time. So the best way is to wait patiently and then enter according to the strategy, and then let the market to do the job. That's the best way. Because like, if you think that you are missing too many trades, then it's a part that might come as a FOMO. Okay, so fear of missing out, that is also ruin one's trading account if you're experiencing FOMO. So it's important that always remain in control of your trading account by doing the risk management, by trading with the trend, and by learning how to do the risk management. That's very important. Hope that's you are enjoying the live session. And also, risk management is a big part of trading. So if you don't know how to do the risk management, you can download a free trading plan also, which is a demo trading plan. You can find also a link below this video. Download that free trading plan, and then you can rewrite it for yourself. That will definitely help you to understand how it works, how to do the risk. There is a component of risk management on the demo trading plan, which is simplest way to manage the risk when you are trading. Thank you. Okay, here is we can see um, a local drop again. This market, I think we might see again dropping back to the support level. Okay. So the way it's heading, you can see gold price action, which is basically a bull market. It might break any of this high. Okay, we can see the market trend, expecting it to bounce in that direction. We'll see where it is heading. And nearly we are nearing to our liquidity candle giveaway for today. Like every day we do one mentorship including the liquidity candle giveaway. So if you want to be in the competition, make sure you stick till the end to participate, and that will come up with $1,050 worth of lifetime access mentorship plus liquidity candle giveaway. Okay, so here what you can see, this is a bull flag. Okay, and this bull flag as a rule of thumb should be breaking below before it is trending to the upside. So you can see that potential break below. Okay, here what you can see, it might even drop back to that liquidity zone. Okay, so we you can see we will be waiting for further entry. Still we have the whole session to go, and in the meantime let's prepare for the giveaway for the liquidity candle. And let me bring that up here so you can see, looking at giveaway, the same keyword that you will be using, which is the liquidity. So if you write that liquidity on the live chat, you will be entered into the competition. So I'll be waiting if you want to participate on the word the liquidity. Thank you. Awesome, Ibrahim. Okay, Tabaruk. See 7 eligible members, so you can write that keyword to be entered into the competition, and then we will be rolling it. So I have to cancel it. This is not, it is it was my fault, not this one. You can still not this one. We need to wait for members to be at least 20 eligible members. It was my click. Okay, waiting for 20 eligible members to come up. So 16 eligible members, you can write liquidity in the live chat where I can then you will be eligible for the competition. So you got 20 members. Okay, I'm rolling it now, and I think Al Maruf already has got once, so I'll be cancelling, re-entering Paul McCartney. Paul is today's liquidity candle winner. I know that Al Maruf had previously won and already in the academy, so you don't need any more. So we found today's liquidity candle winner is Paul. So congratulations, Paul. So what all you need to do, Paul, is visit the website and then go to the contact us page. Once you visit the website, go to the contact us page, where you can once you visit the website, go to the contact us page. You can let us know that you are the winner. Paul is first time winning, I guess. I can't remember, but if this is the second time, then we can roll it again. Okay, so Paul is second time. Okay, let me re-roll it then. All right, I will be cancelling that. Let me re-roll. Okay, now Tabu. Okay, so Tabu is first time, I guess. Okay, because second time winner no need. Basically, you are already on the liquidity candle. So, okay, Tabu Mapia. If I'm wrong in pronouncing, then my apology. So this is the Tabu. Tabu is our today's liquidity candle winner. You can visit the website, link below this video. Use the contact us page to let us know that you are the winner of this liquidity candle. And with that said, traders, I absolutely believe that you enjoyed this live session. It was, every day is different. Most of the time we are winner. Today is not, but that's a part of the game of trading. Accepting that is also being humble. And definitely, also I really appreciate your support to the channel. You can also join the free Telegram channel for more and more educational content. You can find link below. In addition, if you want to join the VIP group where I'm sharing all my trade strategies, educational content, also you can find link below this video. Visit the website where you can learn and grow as a trader with me. So with that said, thank you for joining this. We'll see you again trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy.